What's up guys? What's up guys? Today it's my first day in using a prop film, and I'm just starting. I don't know if this is the right prop film for me and if this is the right steps. So they have the challenge, and I don't know if I pass this challenge, I will have an opportunity to buy another funds, something like that. I don't know, but today I took a quick trade, and today is what today? What is the date today? Today is Sunday. This is the trade that I take in Bitcoin USD because today is Sunday and the market is closed. So this is the chart that I trade. I use the MT5, as you can see in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, my buy order got hit and my TP got hit. After it hit and goes up, I I move my stop loss right here. And before that, why did I take that trade? I'm currently I'm currently laying down in bed. So this one. Wait. So this is the trade that I took. So here is a wait, just wait. Here is the key level, and then as you can see, the price in the lower time frame. Oh no, wait, sorry for my bad recording guys. It's my first video so far. In the lower time frame, so there is a liquidity sweep right here. So this one swept this liquidity. Okay, so what I take trade here, right here, that I place a buy order because there's a breakup structure right here, that, and then it's going to this order block. So I use order block. Wait, let's scale down to lower time frame. So as you can see, wait, much better in the 5 minute time frame. So like that, there's an order block right here. Yes, and this is the breakup structure. My strategy is I am waiting for the price to get back here to the order block. Then I place, and my buy order is here, and then my stop loss is right here. So my buy order got hit. After that got hit, it moves up, and then I move my stop loss to break even. Then after it's moved up like this, the pullback, I place my stop loss right here. So I have a guaranteed profit, and then my take profit is right here. I move my take profit right here, close to the liquidity. Okay, liquidity zone, to the previous liquidity zone, to the upside, and then I take profit. So, and this is it. As you can see, this is what happened. Yeah, my previous stop loss is right here, and then it got hit. The buy order got hit. It moves up to that point. Previously, my take profit is right here, so it doesn't hit. So after it pull back, I move my stop loss right there, so I have a guaranteed profit. Then the take profit is just here, the previous liquidity. So now this is my FTMO account. So this is a free trial. I have a $100,000 balance, and my goal is my max daily loss is 3,000, and max loss is $10,000, and profit target is $5,000. And now we have 623.6.